Welcome to Bitcoin Watch. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency grid bots. We'll explore how these automated trading tools work, the different types available like long, short, and neutral bots, and weigh their pros and cons. Stick around for essential tips to maximize your success with grid bots. So what exactly is a grid bot? Imagine an automated system that places buy and sell orders at predetermined price levels, creating a grid on a chart. It's designed to capitalize on market fluctuations, buying low and selling high within a specified range. This strategy is particularly effective in sideways markets, allowing you to profit even when prices aren't trending strongly. There are three primary types of grid bots, each suited for different market conditions. Long grid bots are for rising markets, buying low and selling high as the price climbs. Short grid bots are the opposite, designed for falling markets, selling high and buying low. Finally, neutral grid bots excel in sideways markets, trading within a fixed range to profit from consistent, small price swings. Each type offers a unique approach to generating profits. Let's talk about grid bots without leverage. These bots use only your own funds, making them the safest option, especially for beginners. They automate trading with limited potential losses and aim for smaller, consistent profits. It's a straightforward way to engage with automated trading without the added risk of borrowed capital. On the other hand, grid bots with leverage involve borrowing funds to increase your trade size, for example, by 3 times. While this can magnify profits significantly, it also amplifies potential losses and carries a substantial risk of liquidation. This advanced strategy is strictly for experienced traders who fully understand and can manage the heightened risks involved. Grid bots offer several compelling advantages. They operate fully automated 24/7, capturing opportunities around the clock. They profit from even small market movements and are highly customizable to fit your strategy. By removing emotional decision-making, they ensure trades are executed based on predefined rules, making them particularly effective in sideways markets. However, grid bots also come with their share of cons and risks. They can perform poorly in strong trending markets, potentially missing out on significant gains or incurring losses. Leverage, as mentioned, carries liquidation risks. Trading fees can eat into your profits, and these bots require ongoing monitoring and adjustments. For beginners, the initial setup and understanding can be quite confusing. To succeed with grid bots, start small and test your strategies before committing significant capital. Avoid high leverage initially to minimize risk. Choose exchanges with low fees to maximize your returns. Always match your bot type to current market conditions, and crucially, implement stop loss and take profit orders to protect your investments. In summary, cryptocurrency grid bots offer a powerful tool for automated trading, especially in volatile or sideways markets. Understanding their types, pros, and cons, and applying smart strategies are key to success. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Bitcoin Watch for more insights. Join our live stream next week.